Hello, my future employer, Ma'am and Sir. I am inspiring applicant as a housemaid. I'm Joyan Arsubuchi, single from New Isabela, Tacorong City, Sultan Kudarat. I undergraduate in Notre Dame College, Tacorong. I took a business ad course. I have 6 siblings, 4 sisters, 2 brothers. I am fourth in the 6 siblings. I have work experience here in Philippines since October 2020 to October 2023. So, ako pa married with a daughter 5 years old. My main duty is to take care of kid, preparing a food before I drop her to school, and teach her read and write and speak English. I generally clean the house, laundry, ironing, cooking, and marketing, and also guiding. I can work under pressure, supervision, fast learner, trustworthy, honest, kind, and hardworking, and most of all, loving and caring. Housemate. I guarantee that your I guarantee that the safety of your children is my top priority. I am looking forward and I'm looking for the employer that treats me as a person and also a family as well. Thank you for this opportunity to introduce myself. I hope and praying to be a part of your loving family, Ma'am and Sir.